and welcome back. Have you ever come home, you have that leftover half a rotisserie chicken left over in your fridge and that one random piece of cheese? We're at that stage today, and there is too much month at the end of my money. So let's go ahead and see what we can do about taking whatever we have and making some dinner, because that's all we've got today. So let's get started. Here we've got some random stuff. Got some leftover rotisserie chicken. We've got 2 zucchini left. I'm gonna make some zucchini boats. If you don't know what a zucchini boat is, it's basically stuffed zucchini. We're gonna take some tomato sauce, and I'm going to do a chicken one and then a pepperoni pizza zucchini boat. What you want to do with your zucchini is you want to hollow it out. I split this down the middle. You're going to take a spoon and hollow all the seeds out. If you've got some seeds that are kind of viable, you might want to save those. Since I got these at a farmer's market, I might be able to plant those next year. Now that you have everything hollowed out, we're going to go ahead and put some cheese on the bottom. You can use shredded cheese, any type of cheese that you wish. Mozzarella, I'm using Colby Jack, cheddar. Completely 100% customizable. Pepperoni one is going to be completely just put together. Throw it in the casserole dish. That's what we're going to do. We're going to take our tomato sauce. Alright, you can make this into pizza sauce if you wish. All you have to do is add some oregano, basil, onion powder, garlic powder. I'm too tired to do that today. This is a lazy dish that even I used to sit around with my kids whenever they were young and do something like this. So you can, this is something that you can do with your children, grandchildren. Okay, so with the pepperoni, we're going to cut this up into slices. Just put it in the zucchini boat. Yeah, we'll put that one in there. And then put it in casserole dish. Now for this one, we are going to use the rest of our rotisserie chicken, or as much as possible. And you can load these. Your preference for protein is completely up to you. You can do this with any lunch meat, like ham, turkey. I'm not going to say bologna. I was going to say hot dogs. Because, I mean, like I said, it's your food, your kitchen, your rules. But there's only so many rules that you can do with bologna or hot dogs. Now you can do this with sausage. Either link sausage, you can take the skins off and put them in here, or the ground up sausage. That would work too. Basically anything that you can put on a pizza, you put on here. And yes, pineapple does belong on pizza. My favorite pizza is a pepperoni and pineapple. A lot of people like the Canadian ham. I like the saltiness and the sweetness with the pepperoni. Of course, then there's my sister who likes cream cheese and jalapenos. Her kitchen, her rules. Go ahead and get everything cleaned up, and we'll put this in the oven. All right, edit. This is not gonna all fit. Usually, if you do, it does. So we're going to go ahead and put this in a broiler pan. Now whenever you do it this way, make sure you have a little bit of water at the bottom of this so things don't burn. We're going to go ahead and add a little bit more of the tomato sauce on top of it. Then we're going to add some spices to the chicken, because the pepperoni ones have enough flavor. We're going to go ahead and put a little bit of garlic powder. How about just go ahead and put that everywhere. onion powder. Just a tiny bit. Now, I found ground cumin actually enhances the flavor of certain meats. I actually like it. Gives it a smoky flavor. But I'm going to only put this on the chicken. Okay. And finally, this is real grated by me Parmesan. I buy the bricks, I grate it, and then I put it in the freezer to be able to do this. This bag has lasted me about 6 months, and it's almost time for me to spend more money on real Parmesan. Like I said, right now there is too much month at the end of my money, so that will be a later date. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and put this on a low broil for 15 minutes. Alright, I just took these out of the oven. It did get a little bit charred at the top, not much. That is the danger whenever you're using the broil setting. But these are quite flexible. And all you would need is some garlic toast and you've got dinner. Nice and simple. It's what you just use whatever you've got in your refrigerator and try something different. It's been a long week. Lots of things are happening, and hopefully we'll be able to get out and do something before Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. I haven't been doing much on outside because it's been 115 degrees. I haven't been trying to stay in the air conditioner as much as possible, and I think everybody else has. I think there's been festivals and farmers markets and nobody's going to them because of, the sun. Thank you for joining. Hope you enjoyed. And we'll see you next time.